Welcome back. So this is only going to be a short video for you guys today. This is to promote the training, the development of mediumship via Zoom. Many of you have asked for online classes for those of you in the States, so I've purchased Zoom and I have a practice circle getting ready for the upcoming 2 dates that I have released for the States to do mediumship development online, where we will have breakaway rooms for you to practice mediumship in the style that I promote or design for that particular class. Under no circumstance will any 2 classes be the same because it's dependent on the people I have with me. So I have placed 30 minutes prior to discuss and talk with everyone that's going to enter that group. It's limited to 20 places at the moment, and this is just so I can keep hold of everyone, not these huge classes where I don't know what's going on. And the idea is that we try different techniques, we find what's going to work for you. I know many of you have expressed that you can't do a weekday and the time's not right for you. However, the first one sold out in less than 24 hours. The second one has literally a handful of places left. There are other dates scheduled, but I haven't released those yet. And I'm looking to do one over the weekend to get those people on board that are wanting to do it, but they couldn't fit into the time allocated. The downside is my diary at the moment is absolutely full. So this is a new thing. You asked for it. I've created it and I'm trying to put it in place. We're just going to run a couple of circle formats to see how it goes. I will keep those in the diary and I will release more dates at a later time, but I also want to upgrade that to a full day's workshop. So ideally for me, I would prefer like 6, 7, 8 hours. So that will have to be over a weekend at some point, but it's finding the space in the diary. And of course I have a minimum of a 5-hour time difference. So 7:30 for you guys in the States is actually 2:30 in the morning for me here for those evening ones that people are asking for. So that would definitely have to be over a weekend so I can recover from the time difference on the following day. So it is in the making, it is coming, it is there. All the links will be in the description. Do not send me money and not tell me who you are or where you're from. You must contact the page, and that is mediumcharliekelly on Facebook. Contact via a message where the admins will pick it up and they will allocate your spot, the codes and everything that we need to enter the room. I've had so many people just send me money and I have no idea where they are or where they're coming from. So I do need you to contact me first, and of course for availability. I do not want these classes oversubscribed. So just follow the links in the description. It will be Medium Charlie Kelly on Facebook via the inbox there. Express your interest in the class or the date that you're looking for. Then the exchange will take place at that point. Whereas I'm waking up in the morning because of the time difference, someone's seen it and they've sent me a PayPal or something like that, and then I spend 3 or 4 hours trying to find out who that person was that sent me the money. So we need to get this system in place properly so I'm not spending hours and hours looking for the people. Let me know what it is that you want via these Zoom classes, because I have an idea of what I want to do circle-wise, circle being 2 or 3 hours. I want to upgrade, I want to do bigger, longer ones. So those people that are interested in that, you need to express your interest, because that's, for me, the development or the training is a little bit more than 2 or 3 hours. I appreciate that it's something, there is a practice and we can go through there, but my style is a little bit different. My style is a lot more evidential and a little bit more in depth, which will require a few more hours to get that across. So I do look forward to the one that's already sold out and the one after that. There are a couple of provisional dates that are going in for the next lot. Those dates will be released in due course. They go on the Facebook page. So you need to jump over, like the page, and then we can engage from that point onwards. That's the end of this video today. Thank you for the interest. Thank you to all the people that have already signed up. Thank you for getting the channel to the 1200 mark. And so it's growing slowly, but it is growing. So thank you to everyone that's putting the time and effort in to watch the videos and comment on the videos and share the videos. I really, really do appreciate it. And I'll probably see you all tomorrow with another little video, opinion, discussion, whatever it'll be. See you then.